What up, tube? Today is Saturday, May 20 something or another. I know it's the end of the month, guys. It's about 7:10 a.m. Headed to the shop already. Just a quick reminder, guys, if you guys ain't up by this time of the morning, guess what? You're late. Should already be up. It's Saturday's game day, baby. Today's the best day of the week. I don't know about your shop, but my shop, Saturday, it's rocking. You guys need to be there already. You guys need to be up, motivated, and ready to work. Darn, what are you still doing in bed? Get up. You know you're not going to make money sitting at home, right? I'd rather be tired than broke, guys. Remember that. All right, I'm going to head to the shop, post some pics today, see what we can get into today, all right, guys? About 12:20. Been crazy slammed at the barber shop today. A lot of people coming through and short-handed two people again. It's pure incompetence, guys. Pure incompetence. You know, it's just people missing for foolish crap. You know what I mean? Foolish crap. Especially when you continuously talk to people and they take no advice to it, and you know. I guess I'm just gonna have to stop being Mr. Freaking Nice Guy all the time, you know? Stop taking this shit serious. This is what you go through, guys, when you're a barbershop owner. In case you guys that want to own a shop in the near future, this is what it's all about, you know? Like having to deal with people and things, and you know, people not showing up to work, and you know, and people showing up to work all dumb, you know what I mean? Like, why even show up? You know, if you're not gonna come in your right mind, why even show up? That's what I think. You know, like why not just call in sick? It's just pure incompetence. It's ridiculous and incompetence. You know. Now I'm not gonna be dealing with that shit no more. Guess I'm venting a little bit to you guys today. But you know what, guys? This is what you go through when you're a barbershop owner. You know, it's just, you know, you want your ship to run smoothly, and you know, you spend all your time and everything. Look at that. Oh, nice. All rated out truck. I love it. Just like mine. Anyways, you know, you try your hardest to do everything the right way, and so your ship will run at a certain course, you know, and incompetence bumps into you and you know, knocks you off course, you know, and I gotta paddle harder to get that shit back in order, you know, get it back in line. But you know, guys, this is what we go through when you're a barbershop owner. You know, you're an owner of a shop. You have to step it up. Then when guys are down, when guys aren't there, then guess what? You got to step it up. And I don't mean by stepping up by just being there, guys. Like, I'm talking about, I got to step it up and do those haircuts because, you know, they're expecting, people don't want to wait around all day, you know? So I got to work harder now. I got to work faster and harder. And you know, I'm up to the task, but at the same time, you know, it's just... What gets me pissed is that it's pure incompetence, you know? It's people's selfishness and not thinking about what they got to be doing at work and not giving a shit, basically. You know, like, I'm going to do whatever I want and that's it, you know? But yet, I got to keep giving them a job. That's my part. That's my incompetence. But I'm going to handle it, see what happens. And then we'll go for there. I'm going to go inside the bank right now, get some change, and I'm going to go get some lunch. And I'm going to head back to the shop and finish off this day. We're better than halfway done. We close at 4:30 on Saturday, so we got about 4 hours left. It's not too bad. But I'll get back with you guys in a bit. Well, that's it for the day, guys. Headed out of the shop already on my way home. It's about 6 o'clock. Got out of there pretty early today for being a Saturday. Super busy. I don't know. It's weird today. I can't help but feel a little disappointed. It was super busy though. I don't know. Just a lot of things I guess going through everything right now. It happens like this when you're a boss, guys. You know, like because you gotta make stupid choices and make a lot of decisions, or you gotta make good decisions, but you make stupid choices. That's me sometimes. That's what I do. But tomorrow's another day. And that's what it is. Tomorrow we get up and grind again. Crazy day today though. Super busy weekend. Short-handed and just short-handed, and it's just incompetence again, guys. Incompetence. Can't even stress the word incompetence. It just angers me sometimes. But I'm here at my house. Gonna go in there with my fams and we'll see what's up. Tomorrow's swap meet, so see what we get into. Maybe I'll fly the drone tomorrow again. Kind of haven't flown it in a week, so we'll see what's up. With that being said, you guys have a good Saturday evening, and I'll see you guys mañana.